In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a home page in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out, transforming your scattered notes into a central hub can immensely enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where all your wiki, docs, and projects live, making it the perfect starting point for setting up your homepage. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the Login option. You'll want to make sure you're in the right account, as everything we do today will be saved there. Next, navigate to Notion Home. This is going to be your launchpad for creating a personalized space that keeps your important stuff front and center. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new page. This is your blank canvas. Click on it, and voila, you're ready to get started. Now, let's make your page visually appealing and functional. Adding a cover at the top is a great way to personalize your Notion homepage. This cover forms the backdrop to your page title and sets the tone for the content that follows. Notion offers a variety of cover options, but you can also upload your own image if you have a specific theme or aesthetic in mind. Choose something that resonates with you or reflects the purpose of the page. Next, let's add an icon. Icons are small but mighty when it comes to enriching the visual look of your page. They provide a quick visual cue about the purpose of the page. And Notion makes it easy by offering a selection of emojis and icons. Whether you opt for a simple smiley face or an elaborate emoji, the choice is yours. Icons can make navigating your pages a breeze, especially when you're quickly scanning through multiple entries. And that's it. You've successfully set up a homepage in Notion. You've taken those first essential steps in creating a customized digital space that works for you. Remember, your Notion homepage is a living, evolving workspace. Don't hesitate to tweak or enhance it as your needs change. Regularly revisiting and refining your homepage ensures it remains relevant and useful. Perhaps you'll want to add sections for upcoming projects, quick links to commonly used pages, or even integrate widgets that pull in real-time data. The possibilities are endless, and the more you experiment, the more you'll discover what truly suits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing! Be sure to explore other Notion tutorials to keep honing your skills and making the most of this powerful tool.